有疾控站、安全站、流程站5个信息站及10个远程输出入信息接口站组成。三峡升船机共有4800多个监测数据采集信号，这些信号完整用于三峡升船机的运行控制、状态监视、安全保护与过程管理。
The safelock mechanism of the ship chamber of the Three Fortress shipment adopts nut-screw safety mechanism, which is an important scientific and complicated mechanical system that ensures the security and reliability in the operation of the shipment. Each island and the both sides of the ship carrying chamber is separately installed with 2 sets of plunger nuts that are standoffs. And from the bottom to the tower top, another 2 sets of short screws are installed at the corresponding places of 2 sides of ship chamber. Between the screw thread of short screws and that of standoffs are 60 mm gap. When the ship carrying chamber normally goes up and down, the short screw handles and the standoffs. When emergencies happen, the driving system will voluntarily stop running, as well as the security system tests that the ship carrying chamber is off balance or exception occurs in its way. When the unbalanced load constantly increases to surpass the early warning value, the gaps between the short screws and standoffs will automatically